Is your car running like it's stuck in Alaska or heating up like it's auditioning for a BBQ grill? Your thermostat might be the troublemaker here. Let's dive into what happens when this little gadget gets stuck open or stuck closed, and why it's not something you want to ignore. The thermostat is your engine's personal bouncer. Its job? To open and close at just the right time, letting coolant in when needed to keep the engine chill. But when it gets stuck open, it's like leaving the fridge door open all day. Your engine stays cold and fuel economy out the window. You'll also notice that your car heater feels like it's just blowing air, not ideal in the middle of winter. Now, if the thermostat gets stuck closed, it's a whole different kind of party, one you don't want an invite to. Without coolant flowing, your engine overheats faster than a smartphone in the sun. You could end up with a blown head gasket or, worst case scenario, an engine that's toast. And trust me, no one likes toast that costs thousands of dollars to fix. If your car's temp gauge is acting like a yo-yo, it's probably time to get that thermostat checked. Replacing it is way cheaper than replacing an engine. Think of it like swapping out a $20 pair of sunglasses before you accidentally step on them. So, whether it's stuck open or stuck closed, don't let a thermostat problem slide. Keep that engine happy or you might find yourself driving a very expensive paperweight.